Hey Chris, I was just taking a look at your catalog, looking at some of your different listings here, and I wanted to first say great job on really all your products and this brand. You've got great reviews, you've got really high quality products, and you've got over 5,000 SKUs, so it's quite a lot to keep track of and manage. But wanted to share a few tips that I did notice some insight here. My name is Matt. I'm an account executive at my Amazon guy, and really what I kind of noticed is that as far as your listing itself is concerned, I think you got a pretty good foundation here. You've got some good graphics. You've got some A+ content, and with the catalog this size, that's kind of all you can ask for sometimes is just to have some basic images up and some A+ content up on each listing. So what I noticed though that is that I think a little bit of the weak point, at least that I noticed, is that you're not getting a ton of traffic. So even on your hero product, your top seller, this one right here, is that you're still only indexing for about 700 keywords organically and running about 340 sponsored. Now that's actually a good ratio between sponsored and organic. But what I am seeing in this kind of category, and granted each product's a little different. Maybe I'm not sure where you are pricing wise, but if you are more expensive, then maybe it can be a little more difficult to rank. But you still can really rank for thousands of keywords organically and run a lot more PPC. So if you click my calendar link below, I'd love to book a call with you and see how we can help out. I know you had a conversation with Noel, but a lot of things have changed on our end, your end, I'm sure. So look forward to talking to you soon. Thanks.